We are back. You're listening to K-Talk Radio 1640 AM. This is the show, Utah Home Sweet Home. I am your host, Yoji Shiraki. We are talking about remodeling homes. So I wanted to dive into the rest of the house. Now, the rest of the house, outside of the kitchens and bath, is really quite easy. It's really just flooring and paint for the most part. Now, light fixtures, again, I think will improve the appearance of a room, whether it's the living room or the family room or the TV room, whatever you want to call it. I think a new light fixture can really improve, and they're very inexpensive. If you go to homedepot.com, click on light fixtures, start scrolling through it, you'll see there's a lot of pretty light fixtures that are very affordable. Not that expensive, a very minimal investment that will improve the home, give it the sizzle factor that will create bidding wars, that will grab the emotions of your buyers, so that when they go to purchase your house, you're hopefully selling for top dollar due to bidding wars that multiple buyers competed for your house because it looks so good. So flooring is carpet's typically going to be cheaper than hard surface flooring, laminate, hardwood, tile, and so I think there's a place for carpet, and there's also a place for laminate when it comes to really trying to get top dollar for your house. In my personal opinion, when you walk in that front door and you're on that main level, let's face it, hard like laminate flooring, pergo, hardwood floor, it's prettier than carpet, right? Especially if you get nice looking. I mean, they come in so many different shades, colors, designs. But if you go with a nice one, I mean, it's going to make that front room look so much nicer. And here's the thing: we live in we live in Utah, where in the winter we come home and our shoes are wet, right? And you walk in that front door, your guests walk in that front door, and then they step on that front carpet, and now you got water stains on the carpet, right? Laminate or pergo or hardwood, something that's wipeable, is so much nicer when you come in that front door, because if your shoes are wet and the snow melts off all over the floor, it's an easy wipe with a paper towel, where carpet, might have some mud in there. So I would say it's worth the investment, in my personal opinion, to put laminate where the main floor is, right? Where the kitchen, front door, main floor is. And then, if you were on a budget, put carpet the rest of the home, right? So the bedrooms would have carpet, basement would have carpet, because carpet's still nice. It's just laminate's nicer. And so we'll do a lot of basements, we'll put carpet in the basements, but then on the main floor, we'll do typically laminate throughout the main floor, so that, like I said, you walk in that front door and your breath is taken away, right? Your buyer's breath is taken away by the appearance of how the house looks. So I would say put some laminate on the main primary floor, carpet throughout the rest of the home, paint a neutral color that is desirable at the time. Right now, you're going to see a lot of light grays and a lot of whites on the walls. Those are the two most popular colors right now. I would say like 10, 12 years ago, it was like tan. Light tan was the in color. Light tan is definitely not in anymore. It's going to be the light grays and whites. And so you can do, of course, whatever color you want, but what we want to do is cater to the masses, right? And right now, the masses are loving white and light gray. So if you're going to invest in spending some money into your wall color, then definitely invest in the color that the masses want, not the minorities. You want to appeal to as many people as you possibly can when you turn around and put your house on the market. And so I feel that, so basically, in closing this show, I think that if you search hardware, you search light fixtures, paint, as I talked about, is very inexpensive, refacing cabinetry, flooring is going to be hit or miss. A lot of people already have nice flooring if it's already a hard surface. If you already got a hard surface flooring, probably just leave it. But unless it's damaged for any reason. But if you got carpet there that has stains, maybe you want to rip it out. Maybe, I don't know. You're gonna have to take by each carpet situation is different. I've seen carpet that has stains, but carpet cleaner came and took them out, and it worked, and it looked great. But if they don't come out, then you might want to rip out that carpet, get some new carpet in there. And if you just take control of the project, take control of the budget, then really what you're pricing out there forward is just labor, right? And now if you're getting bids on people's labor, you really can take control of the actual budget and the actual project, which I think is going to make life so much easier for you when you head down your remodeling project. All right. Well, I hope everybody had a spectacular Thanksgiving, and I hope everybody has a spectacular rest of the day. You've been listening to K-Talk Radio 1640 AM. This is the show, Utah Home Sweet Home. I'm your host, Yoshi Shiraki. And again, I want to make a big announcement that I'm very excited about, because at the end of this year, it is the last of my shows here on K-Talk. I will be moving to Good Things, Utah. And I will be on television starting in January. So if you want to follow me on my social media, we will be transitioning from K-Talk Radio to Good Things Utah here shortly. And you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, LinkedIn, TikTok, all of those places, YouTube. And you can follow me as we make this transition from radio, K-Talk Radio, to Good Things Utah. And I hope you all have a spectacular rest of the day. Okay, before we part ways, in case you have a dog or know someone else who does have a dog, I wanted to take a quick second to show you the Snap Leash. The Snap Leash can literally do so many things, and I'm going to share with you one of the many cool things that it can do. As you can see, the Snap Leash is designed with 2 swivel hooks, one on each end. This end has a cushion stitched into it to make it comfortable when walking your dog. Now, all you have to do is take this swivel hook, put it into this very first grommet, and now you've got your handle. Okay, so now let's imagine you're at the park and you want to secure your pet quickly, safely, and easily to a park bench, a tree, or a pole because you just want to sit down and relax. Well, all you need to do is take this swivel hook, remove it from the very first grommet, wrap this leash around any size tree or pole or park bench, and put it into the appropriate grommet. And now you have secured your pet quickly, safely, and easily. And when it's time to head home, another great feature about the Snap Leash is you can simply wrap it around your waist for hands-free walking. Lastly, if you ever accidentally forget your waist bags at home, these grommets make a great place to fasten the waist bags so you never leave home without them. And if you want to see all of the other cool things that the Snap Leash can do, then please just click on the link below and find out why so many others are falling in love with the Snap Leash.